you're copying and filtering data manually for different teams or regions, there is a better approach. Hey everyone, it's Isi here and it's day 3 of Automate Your Job. So here's something that I see very often. You have one master data set and you have to create separated filtered views for different clients, departments or regions, and you have to manually do this every time the data updates. Let me show you how to automate this. Let's dive in. In today's video, we'll be using the same data set from yesterday. So yesterday we transposed these date columns into rows and then we had a date value column for each of them. This was the result of what we did, transposing the date and value. So today now we want to automate the filtering process. So for instance, if you wanted to filter for the different regions, so here we have the north, south, east and west, you have to click on this and then click on the filter button for you to filter for the different regions. So this automation process will just make it way faster for you, especially in situations where you want a particular region to have their own sheet. Another reason why this is really good is to avoid human error. So in instances where when you're filtering, if you accidentally select two different regions when you shouldn't be selecting that, and also for like confidentiality purpose, so you don't want maybe the people in the northern region to see the data for the people in the southern region. So that's what we're doing today. Just going to remove the filter and then grab the prompt for today. The prompt for today, the way it works is that it's going to read the master data sheet and create separated filtered sheets for each unique value in the region column. So if yours is in the region column, let's say it's a client column or it's a department column, you can just adjust the prompt based on what you're dealing with. And then I'll update the sheet name and the column name. So I'm just going to copy this now, go to ChatGPT and then paste. I'm updating the sheet name. The sheet name I had on mine, I think it was cleaned. It's the cleaned sheet we're using here. So I'll just change that to cleaned and then I'll update this to region. Okay, and then I'll hit enter. Just give it a couple of seconds to generate the script and then I'll copy the script and go back to the sheet. Same thing as yesterday and the day before. Go to app scripts under extensions and then it will come up. So this was the script from yesterday. Since we're using the same sheet, I'm just going to click on the add a file here. Once you click on that, you see script and HTML. So we click on script and then you name it. So I'll name this product. So I'll name that product function and enter. Then you control A or command A and then you paste what you have just generated and then we'll save this project to Drive and then we run it. So it says it here that the different records have been created for all regions. So let's go back to the data set and see what has happened. So now we have the northern region, we have the southern region, we have the eastern region and we have the western region for this. You don't have to manually filter your region anymore. Every time your data set is updated, you get the north, south, east and west. But if yours isn't a case of region, if it's like client or department, you can just adjust the prompt and your script to reflect your own data set. And yeah, that's it. This data set is going to be provided in the description of this video and also the prompt as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe or follow, and I'll see you tomorrow.